Alright, it's 5 degrees outside. I already have my Bell racestar here with my smart pack here, and it has the JBL 45mm speakers inside this helmet. But I got this new helmet, and what are we gonna do? We're gonna install another set of 45mm speakers and another pack talk, so I can switch this to here depending on what helmet I want to wear. And Evie says hello. Hi, baby. All right, easy as that. New mount, 45mm speakers inside the helmet. Check out this nice glossy finish on this Bell Star. Then what I can do is I can take this smart pack comm, I can pop it onto my old helmet or my wife's helmet if the battery's dead. Come right back to this. Look at that thing though. It's gorgeous.